All right, so welcome back to Clever Minds. Still on quadratics, and we'll be seeing the last example on this section, which is example 4. Yes, example 4. So let's see. We have to solve the quadratic equation x squared, x squared, sorry, solution. So we have x squared plus x minus 42 equals what? 0, right? Good. So remember, the coefficient of x squared is 1, right? Good. Though invisible, but it is taken as 1. So 1 multiplied by 42 or negative 42 give us what? Negative 42, right? So we can simply find the factors of what? 42 that will satisfy this um, um, middle term, which is plus 1. So what are the two factors of 42 such that when we add together, it will give us what? It will give us plus 1. So if you think deeply, without wasting much time, that will give us 7 and 6. Remember, 7 multiplied by 6 will give us 42. But how do we want to write 7 and 6 such that it will satisfy this? And that is plus 7 and negative 1. Sorry, negative 6. Negative 6. So multiply this out now. Plus times minus is minus. 7 times 6 is what? 42. Good. Satisfied. 7 minus 6 is what? Plus 1, which satisfies. Right? Good. So the idea is just to use trial and error method to find the two factors such that when you multiply them, you get the what? The constant thing, negative 42. And when you find the sum, you get the middle term, which is plus 1. That is the coefficient of the middle term x, which is plus 1. So the idea is to now say x squared plus 7x minus 6x minus 42 equals 0, right? Good. Then you have x into x plus 7. Remember, you can do this to make it clearer. So we have negative what? 6 into x plus 7. I'll just copy the first bracket into the second bracket. So we have x negative 6 into x plus 7 equals 0. So remember, the product of two numbers is 0. One of them must be 0. X minus 6 equals to 0, or x plus 7 equals to 0. So we have x equals to what? 6, or x equals to what? Negative 7. So that gives us the final answer. So, but me, I always do this. I can always jump step here, from here, right? Since I have x squared plus x minus 42 equals 0, and I've seen that this is the factor, right? The two factors that will give me, that will satisfy the two conditions. So I'll just jump and write x plus 7 into x minus 6, and I'll be good. That brings me here without doing the first step and the second step. So from here, you can always jump to the third step to write this, then to just make your work faster. Yes, it's allowed. Are you with me? Very, very much allowed. So that gives us this. So we have come to the end of this section. Here are some problems to try on your own. You have to solve each of the following quadratic equations by factorization method. Yes, by factorization. So you can see this is pretty easy. It's like almost the third to the last step. Then you have this 3x squared plus 14. Oh, sorry. It should be 14x plus 16. Write that. 14x should be 14x plus 16 equals 0. Then 3, this is x squared minus x minus 20 equals 0. This is 6x squared minus 17x plus 12 equals 0. This is 2x squared plus 11x minus 21 equals 0. This is x plus 8 into 2x plus 5 equals 0. and it's 5x plus 18x minus 8 equals 0. So we have to solve each of these by factor just to test if you have been following the class. Once you're able to get all these correctly, that shows you are progressing on how to solve quadratic equations by factorization, right? Good. So this class is brought to you by Clever Minds. Thank you for your time and you have a great day.